Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome to another video on the Elite Capital channel. This is CEO Aman, the founder of Elite Capital. I know I haven't done a video on YouTube in about a month, but let me tell y'all something. I've been completely slaughtering the markets. 2021 was a great year. We're coming into 2022 and we're coming in with the right mindset. We're going crazy on these charts. So in this video, I'm going to do a multi-part video where in the beginning, I will start with a trade breakdown of this beautiful move that I caught on Thursday. Then we will get to the Sunday market breakdown. So let's get started. All right, GBPJPY right here. We have it on the 4-hour time frame. I like going from the bigger time frames and down to the lower time frames. So I'll start from the weekly, right? Starting it off from the weekly, I saw that, okay, we are respecting this resistance right here, 157. We did break above it, but you see how the candles, they closed right about the same area where the candles had closed previously in October. So, I keep that in the back of my head. We have the 8 SMA right here as well. We were in a range, tough range, on the weekly. So now let's get to the daily analysis. Off of the daily, we see that we are underneath the 8 SMA. And being underneath the 8 SMA on the daily, it indicates a bearish market for me. So as you can see over here, that this is an area where price respected and it dropped. So a lot of the times when price will come down to major areas, like for example right here, 155, 200, as you can see, it tapped this area and it flew. It hit this area multiple times. So we're going to talk about this trade right here, this 1 to 5 risk to reward GJ trade that I caught on Thursday. So going into the 1 hour, I caught the entry right here. As you can see, it was a very beautiful entry right underneath the rejection of the resistance. We came into a money cube. It's also a resistance as well. Rejected the 65 moving average as well. Going into the 30-minute, we can see we started breaking underneath the 8 SMA, breaking 30-minute lows, and I executed an entry at 155.930 with an 0.3 stop loss. If you guys want to see it on my signals, there we go. Sell GBPJPY 155.93. That was the only trade I called that day. We hit TP5. So as soon as we broke these 800 lows, I was very, very confident that this trade was going to go all the way to the full take profit. It was going to respect this support area right here at 155.430. So beautiful, beautiful trade. Now going down to the 15-minute, we will see that we had a crossover over here, and which indicated more sales pressure coming in. We were always trading underneath the 8 SMA. As you can see right here, we broke this little support and we retested it for like 45 minutes straight, and boom, we got a massive drop. And then basically I had told my group that we could close out over here. If you want potential re-entries, we could enter back at this money cube right here at 750. 750 and the 800s level is very, very significant on GJ. So 750 is right here. You could have entered and taken shorts over here. I had spoke about 155, 400. If that level is broken, it's going to be massive shorts. Obviously, this move happened at 2 p.m., which was very, very odd to me because market doesn't really move at that time. And, GJ just collapsed from there. I did not end up trading Friday, but the people in my Discord, whoever did trade, they knew that I was still looking for sells, and basically I was looking for sells underneath 154.400, and they ended up taking that trade and catching 40 pips on that move. So you may ask what I might be seeing on GJ now. So let's do a quick little analysis. Market is just now opening up. It is 5 p.m. right now in the East Coast, and we have came into this area right here at 154, which is a major area. I'm thinking we're going to get some sort of a retest back into the 250s or even the 400s before we short. We are in a bearish market right now off the daily. I want GJ coming into 153.200, and that's really what I see. It's a daily money cube as well, and you can see previously this area has been tapped multiple times. So the 200s and the 800s level, remember, very important on GJ. So that's what's going to happen on that. Now let's talk about other pairs over here. Let's talk about GBP USD continuous downside. That's what I'm seeing right here. You can see on the daily, I had given this area out to my group as well. Daily money cube hit to the T almost, and we dropped. So 137,400. I told them to short. This is a heavy demand zone, and we shorted from here. So I see GU coming all the way back down. If it starts breaking these lows at 35, we have potential to keep coming down into the 1.34 area. I think GBP is going to be bearish for the week. So 1.34 area is what I'm going to be targeting. On the 4-hour time frame, 3.5 doesn't look bad as well. It's still 40 pips away. Market is still opening up, so we're probably going to get a retest of 3.5750. Let's take a look at Euro US dollar, Euro USD, major choppiness, no clear really movement on EU since November. But what I see over here is if we break this trend, we are headed downside. If we break these highs, we're going to be headed to the upside. So just trapping the range over here, guys. You know, DXY, it's very unpredictable right now just based on what is going on with fundamentals. As you guys may see, you know, US 30 has been dropping a lot. Bitcoin has been dropping a lot. So just with the dollar is very unstable. And I do see safe havens continuing to push up though, just based on the instability of the dollar. And as you can see, this is the gold chart right now. We're having a daily break and a retest of the 1830s level. And I feel like we are going to push into 1860 at least in this following week. So let's see how that goes on gold. Let's take a look at Euro JPY right quick. Euro JPY, it moves a lot like GJ. As you can see, it had bearish pressure. It started moving to the downside. 128.729 was the area that I had called out from here, from 130s. So whoever was in my group, they caught the short as well as soon as the lows started breaking. But EJ, what I kind of see here is we have two areas we can come into. We can come into 127 flat, and then if we break that, we can come into the 126 500s or 400s level. You know, below this area, we are 100% bearish on this pair, and we have room to drop. So let's take a look at some fundamentals for the week. All right, starting from today, nothing really in the market. On Monday, we have Euro German flash manufacturing, Euro news, AUD news. So yeah, London session Euro is going to make a little bit of a movement. Tuesday, GBP news at 6 a.m., GBP news at 2 a.m., so private sector. This is going to be very crucial for us because we will need to be very careful when executing GJ trades. Now, taking a look at Wednesday, very heavy CAD news, and USD FOMC statement is coming. So that day, we're going to have to be careful because a lot of the times the market will consolidate up until FOMC. Federal Open Market Committee is a big meeting and is very crucial in the FX market. So we will be consolidating most likely in London and New York that day for the FOMC move to happen at 2:30. Let's take a look at Thursday. USD advanced GDP is coming out. Unemployment claims are coming out. So massive movement in New York on those days. And Friday, I don't really trade Friday, but you know, there's a PCE and a couple little things. But yeah, guys. Other than that, this was a nice little breakdown I could do for y'all for this week, what I'm seeing in the market. If you guys are interested in joining Elite Capital and getting daily updates and signals and everything, the lifetime membership is currently on promotion for $9.99. Includes one-on-ones, my full course on how I trade and everything, and the exclusive Discord group chat where you can talk with multiple traders and me myself. So if you are interested in that, feel free to get plugged in. But other than that, guys, this is about it for this video. I will see you guys later.